Wait, let me see him again.
Nobody want to see him again.
Telling me I'm not gonna waste my time. Pressure make diamond, but pressure bust pipe.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and I am back with another. And today I have a special guest,
Kayla Klein.
Make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel. Her link will be in the description. All of that good stuff. But I know why I'm there. Y'all want to see what this video is about. So this video is a who would you rather. So this will be featuring promoters, like party promoters, DJs, and artists. I got this idea from Tash Fair, so you girl love yourself. Yeah. Okay, so how this is gonna go? You know what this is gonna go? You understand the game? Alright,
Who would I rather?
Alright, so I'm gonna give you a name. Alright, like for instance, alright, I'm gonna start with artists. So I give you Chris Brown versus Drake. Which one would you rather? Then you tell, alright, if you said Drake, then you move on to the next round. I'll give you Drake versus somebody else. So whoever you pick, you can either stick with that person and say you're sticking with Drake and move on to the next person, or whatever. So basically, the last person you end up with is supposed to be the love of your life. You're gonna marry.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Alright. So I'm playing as well, so I'm also going to be picking. So the first, I might have to show you them picture, I don't know if you know them. But anyways, the first one is NINO versus DJ Escobar. You know
NINO as in Shanzi.
Yeah.
Who is the second person? How does he look? I said NINO. NINO, yeah.
I'm gonna eat this. I say NINO. Why?
Cause you know the tattoo them, you know, I want to buzz they like these. I love tattoos.
But Escobar have tattoo too.
No, but like like the sleeve, like NINO more have like more tattoos, like I like that.
NINO sleeve?
Our sleeve. Yeah, see?
Oh.
Yeah, whole sleeve, like I just love the whole Batman vibe.
Batman.
Yeah.
I love Batman. Okay, alright. So we both said NINO. Next on the list. So NINO versus ZIMI Johnny.
Who is ZIMI Johnny?
Yeah.
Because I think he's really cute, like no cap. Boy, you're cute. You buzz it like these.
You hear that, Johnny?
Cute!
Buzzy.
No, like, and he's ZIMI Entertainment, so you know, free ticket for going on a party.
Wow.
Like, you know.
She's using you.
No.
She's using you.
Never said that. You never said that. Oh yeah.
She is using you.
And he looks tall too. He's
he
tall.
is tall.
Yeah, I'm tall and he's tall, so you
yeah.
know. Yeah.
That would work.
Why said ZIMI? Why said Johnny?
Because I'm cuter than you know.
Okay. He's just cute, that's it?
I mean, and I'm tall.
Okay.
Yeah, let's
I've never seen him before though. Well, I don't go anywhere.
I know him, so and plus him younger than NINO. NINO is out of my age range. Yeah. Anyways, next. So we both picked Johnny. So Johnny versus, I don't think you know this guy. Kivel, yes, me I put in another video. This guy.
Not Kivel. His name is Kyle.
Kivel. We'll call him Kivel.
Why?
Cause we just call him Kivel.
Anyways, I'm sticking with ZIMI Johnny because Kyle is short as hell. I'm not even lying. That boy's a good 4'11", brother. Like short.
Yeah, Kivel. You're a little bit too small for me.
No, but you know how
that's it still.
I like his face. He looks like a little baby. Like he's so cute. Like a little baby.
Yeah, that's really that for me still. You're tiny.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're tiny. I mean, I can't really see him size clothes. And I love that. Want a big man. Run. You know, I'm gonna stop talk. So we're both sticking with Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny.
Alright. So Johnny again versus, you know, Prudent City.
No.
Okay. Yes, Prudent City. I put here in my video.
He kind of cute though, but I'm sticking with Johnny.
Sticking with Johnny?
Yeah. You have really nice teeth though.
Alright. So, she's sticking with Johnny. I too am sticking with Johnny. Johnny, oh, where you going with? Johnny have a buzz.
A buzz.
Johnny got a buzz.
Not even buzz, a sting, brother.
Boy, if you don't.
Johnny versus Shot by Death.
Johnny.
But that's so quick. I like that. I like that. I like that.
Let me see Shot by Death.
You answer that too quick. I don't like that. I can't see him face.
Him look like him there on the thick side. I'm gonna really like a man thick. When man thick, like.
I feel you.
I like when boy marker, you know, like marker boy have a buzz.
I used to say that back in my day, but
The marker man them have a buzz, like, no cap.
I would stick with Johnny because Johnny tall. Me and Death, we're probably either on the same height or he's not much taller than me. And I like that. I want to look up in your face. I have to look up. You understand?
Yeah, I like when boys hug me and they're taller than me and I look in their face.
Yes.
I just feel so safe. Like,
yeah, and
you
if
know?
I'm hugging you, my face should be on your chest, not on top of your head.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Johnny, you again? Damn. Looks
That's
like
like what, 3 times, right?
4. Looks
Wow, wow.
Wow. Wow. Alright. Johnny versus DJ Lang. Lang the DJ. You know that guy?
DJ Landy.
Yeah. Lang D. You know, I never had seen him.
Oh, he's a nice dark skinned boy. Okay, I see you. And he has tattoos too. Yo, I love this.
He's up to say, Lang D. Got one for you.
You mean a ZIMI too?
I don't know. I'm not sure. Probably. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know.
This one is hard. This one is hard.
Lang D, Johnny.
This is hard. Okay, I'm gonna go with Lang D just because I like dark skins more. So Lang D.
Well, I have to look good. Batman. You know, so none of them something never pass when we do Kayla video. I tell you, it's something about my videos. Noise always have in the background. I don't get it. Let me look at this guy properly because I never really observe. Oh, look at that! Both in a picture.
Insert that.
I'm gonna stick with Johnny.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't really have a specific reason for this one because they look like they're the same height.
You're boring. You can't just give like why would you pick Johnny over DJ Landy?
Well, I'm gonna look back at Johnny page. This wait.
How many followers you got?
Watch out! 1 followers. Alright, I'm sticking with Johnny.
Okay.
I'm sticking with Johnny. Alright, so
Next.
I'm Johnny and you're Lang D. Alright, so Johnny or Lang D versus Gapix.
He looks short, so I'm sticking with DJ.
He does look short.
DJ Landy. But him song is tough still.
All his songs are so nice. I'm obsessed.
Him song tough still, but
I don't know. This looks short.
he looks short. Like he doesn't look taller than me and you.
Definitely not taller than you.
Guys, if you've never seen me in real life before, I always say this in my videos.
She's
I'm
tall.
tall.
And normally I'm the tall one whenever I'm doing videos with people. But she's
Tall.
not much taller than me. Probably like a 2-3 inches. That's a lot. That's probably a lot.
Yeah, I'm like almost 6 feet tall. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anywho, I'm sticking with Johnny. She's sticking with Langy. No sir, Johnny, this needs to switch up now. Alright. Them again versus SKILLIBENG.
Okay, I really love your music. SKILLIBENG music tough, like
Tough.
like
So them is back, them is not.
yes, anyways, yeah, reggae music itself, I listen to it all day, every day.
Just tell them and say you don't want him.
But I don't want you because I don't know. I don't have a reason. Like
Skilly 2 gram for me, you know. Me not reach that level there a bad man yet. Yeah. Skilly look like Skilly look like him will look at me and say, hey girl, shut him out, you know. Like if me I try annoy him, he will probably look at me and say, hey girl, you're tapping eyes and
him just look.
I don't know him. I'm afraid. Me afraid. But
yeah.
You know, I'm low-key intrigued, but it's a no for me.
No.
It's a no. It's a no for me. So Johnny, sticking with you again. Damn. You sticking with Lindy?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost at the end. So then
what a joke there. Where is the joke?
them versus Buju Banton.
No, I'm sticking with freaking DJ Lindsay. Who was going to pick Buju Banton? Honestly, Shelby. I would say boom,
So here's the last person. So those two versus DJ Mark.
That's the Asian one.
What?
Wait, is it?
It's not Asian.
Oh! I'm so DJ Tyler. I'm so sorry.
Who the f is Tyler?
DJ Tyler. Never mind.
Okay.
Okay, so it's DJ Landy.
Okay, so you're sticking with your DJ Lane D.
Yeah.
I might have to take DJ Mac.
Wait, let me see my game.
Nobody want to see my game. You didn't want him. What looks like we have to go? No, we're not fighting for him. Keep DJ Lane.
Yeah, DJ Lane. Okay. But it's not the looks. I don't want to feel like it's the looks why I passed anybody. Like, that's not the reason, okay? That is not the reason.
I'm basing this on looks.
This is not the looks.
This is on looks for me though. And if I know you personally, then that too. But yeah, I guess that is that. So in the future, God's willing, Kayla will be marrying Lang D, and I will be marrying DJ Mac. Ain't that why did you have to get DJ? I love this. If you like this video and you want a part 2 of this video anytime soon or whatever, or you want to see Kayla back on the channel, make sure you put that in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share this with all of the friends that meet you, all of that good stuff. And last but not least, subscribe. See y'all in the next one. Bye.